Good morning, children. How are you all? Here is your educator, Divya Miss. Children, today let's continue our chapter 14, Doing Words in Grammar. Children, we had already completed our exercise A, right? Okay, so today let's do exercise B. Children, let's revise and remember what are accent words? A word that tells us what a person, animal or a thing does is called a doing word or an action word. Okay. So, as I always said, we will read heading first. Jumbo and Manu are friends. Here you can see, children, Jumbo is an elephant. Manu is a boy. They are friends. They can do many things. Look at the pictures and write words from the box that tell us what they do. Children, we will see the picture, we will observe that picture, and then we will choose the correct action word from this bracket. Okay, let's do 1. Jumbo blank with a pen. Children, look at here. What is Jumbo doing with the pen? Writes. Right. He is writing something with a pen. What we do with a pen? We always do writing with a pen. Right. So, we will write writes. Jumbo writes with a pen. Manu blanks lemonade. Look at here. Manu, what he is doing with a lemonade? Lemonade, what we will do if we have a drink? We will drink it, right? If we will have lemonade, what we will do? We will drink it. So, Manu drinks lemonade. Lemonade is a kind of a drink. You know, na? Yes, okay. So, Manu drinks lemonade. Jumbo blank a ball. Look at here. What is he doing with a ball? He is kicking a ball, right? Kicks. Jumbo kicks a ball. Kicks. Manu blanks with a rope. What he is doing with a rope? Manu skips. Manu skips with a rope. Jumbo blank in a tub. Okay, what we are doing in a tub? Bathing. So, Jumbo also baths in a tub. Manu blanks on a grass. What he is doing? Look at here, children. Manu runs on grass. Now, value corner. Children, remember now. You will read this sentence. You will observe this situation. And what will be your reaction? You will correct it. Okay. Now turn the page. Exercise C. Color the boxes that have doing words. Okay, children, you will read all these words and you will color only that box that have doing words. Read. Read is an action word, is a doing word. So, we will color this box. You can choose any color of your choice. Okay. Red. Red, it is not a doing word. It is a color, noun. It is a name of a color, noun. So, it is not a doing word. It is not an action word. So, we will not color this box. Understand? You will color only that boxes that have doing words. Table. Table is a noun. We will not color this box. Walk. Walk is an action word. So, we will color this box. Ant is an animal, noun. So, we will not color this box. Right? Okay. It is in your homework. Now, exercise D. Children, let's read this note. It is very important. Okay, you will read it with me. All the words in the colored boxes are doing words. Doing words tell us what people and animals can do. Children, again, what is an action word? What are doing words? So, doing words tell us what people and animals can do. Exercise D. Match the words with their correct pictures. Okay. Children, you can use ruler to do this exercise. Swim. Look at here. Observe this picture, children, and say which picture shows us the correct word of swim. This one, right? So, we will match this. Children, you can use the ruler to do this exercise. Fly. Here you can see this bird is flying. So, we will match with a bird. Sleep. Yes. Here is a boy. Sleep. So, we will match it with this picture. Laugh. Who's laughing, children? He's laughing, right? Okay, let's match it. Eat. Here is a boy eats an apple. So, we will match it. Isn't it easy, children? Yes. Now, exercise E. Fill in the blanks using doing words given in the cloud. Look at here, children. Here is a cloud. There are action words in it. We will choose the correct action word and then after we will write it here in the blanks. Okay. You will read all the blanks first. You will read it with me. 1 number. Blank, a tree with green leaves. What we will do with the tree with the green leaves? Draw. Right? We cannot eat it. We cannot hear it. We cannot talk it. We cannot see it. Then what we will do with the tree? We will draw it. Right? So, draw is a correct word. We will write it here. And read it again. Draw a tree with green leaves. 2 number. I love to blank ice cream in summer. What we are doing with an ice cream in summer? Eat. Right? I love to eat ice cream. Children love to eat ice cream not only in summer but in every season. Blank the books on the table. What to do with the books? Keep the books on the table. Four number. Do not blank loudly. I can blank you. What we should not do loudly? Talk. We should not talk loudly. Do not talk loudly. I can hear you. Last one. Why don't you blank? Sit. Why don't you sit?